Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can insert automatically a table. You can choose your design and you can make your own design, your colors, everything. So let's get started without wasting the time.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, first you have to make your any table like so. I'm just taking an example. Team 1, Team 2 and Team 3. Okay, so these are the teams and like I can put someone's name. Okay, so team 1 just scored uh 45 runs, 32, 34, 56. I'm just taking examples. Okay, so when you have made your table, so to do this automatically, just go the bar you can see over here. It's an arrow. Click on there. Go to more commands. Yeah, so you can see something like this. These are popular formulas, proofing, save, advanced. You have to go to customize. Then you you have to search auto format. So click here and then go to all commands. Now search auto format. So auto format. Yeah, here it is. You can see a table and a like something like flashlight and say okay. Wait. Go to more commands. Go all to the all commands. Then search auto format. Then you have to click to add. So I have not clicked to add, so that's why I didn't get. Click add and say okay. So you can see something like this. Okay, just click on it. You will see many options. So I'm just inserting one of them. So like this one. Okay, you can see the table is here and yeah, so you can change the color also by doing like selecting the colors. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.